Mexicano, I'm working like a Mexicano. New persona, I'm moving on from Ferragamo. Get the llama, I party with the real Madonna. Beat the odds, do numbers and remain humble.
Hey guys, thank you for tuning into this video. I'm back with another crochet braid video with, of course, Janet Collections. I love them. Blend so perfectly with natural girls, but this time it's a braidless crochet braid video, which is perfect for people who do not know how to braid their own hair. Super easy for beginners. Let me know if you guys like this type of tutorial. I didn't want to talk a lot, I just want you guys to watch and learn. So let me know what you think, and also let me know if you guys want me to do a tutorial on my nails. I did these myself. Y'all already know the deal. I'm repping that Kenyan forehead gang. Where y'all at? Let me know. Y'all, I am not a makeup artist. I am not a makeup guru. This is not a tutorial on my makeup look. I just wanted to record it because I was going out anyways, and I felt like this natural makeup look brought out the natural hair look. This is my go-to makeup look. I do simple looks. I don't do crazy eyeshadows. I don't usually put on eyelashes. So I just wanted to record it for the camera and just show you guys the end result with my outfit, my makeup, and my hair done. Let me know what you guys think.
Purchase your tracks today.
DJ Smith, bring the beat back.
Smith's Beats.
Now, it is very important that you guys spray the black hairspray after you are already done styling your hair, because if you put it beforehand and then you try to style, the black hairspray will come off on your fingers. It needs time to dry, so that's why I did it at the end. this Ebin edge control, you guys, this is the truth. For those of you guys who have thin edges like me, as you can see, this edge control just brings this look together. It gives that appearance of full, thick edges, makes your forehead look smaller. It just brings the look together. I love it so much, but again, it is very important that you guys put this Ebin edge control after you have already laid down your baby hairs. That's why I did mine after I did the gel, because if you do it beforehand and then you tie a scarf, when you take the scarf off, the black edge control will transfer onto your scarf and it will not be as thick looking. So it's important to do it after your edges are already laid down. Guys, I really love this hairstyle. It just gives me summer cookout day party vibes. Well, that's the end of this mini tutorial / get ready with me. Let me know if you guys like these type of videos, these transformation videos. I will definitely do some more often if you guys want to see these. Love you, and can't wait to see you in the next video. Mwah.
I said, baby, let's roll. Yeah. Baby, let's roll. Baby, let's go to a place no one knows with your head natural.